What is your name?
My name is Orkita Dumakia.
How old are you?
I am 10 years old.
Which is your favorite food?
My favorite food is fried fish.
Where did you go to yesterday?
I go to yesterday in market.
Market, very good. What did you buy? Tama bike na?
New doll and balloon.
Wow, very good. Why do you drink milk?
I drink milk to get energy.
Wow, very good. What is your name?
My name is Neha Jomatia.
What class do you read in?
I read in class 5.
How old are you?
I am 10 years old.
What is your favorite color?
My favorite color is pink.
Pink. Which country do you belong to?
I belong in India.
You belong to India. When do you go to sleep?
I go to sleep in 9:30 p.m.
What language do you speak?
I speak in Kogra.
Very good. Bye.
Bye.